Kari. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to be on the run trying to track people down to get them back over to get my things.
No problem.
So, I haven't slept. I've been up waiting to be ready when the buses start running.
So you're gonna be gone all day?
Well, like I said, yeah, like I've told you, it does take me literally like 4 buses, 7 hours to get to the east side. I have to go to people's houses, track them down, and then it could take me 7 hours, 5 buses to get back, depending if I have to go downtown.
So why don't you do it on a day where I'm
because
then what's gonna happen? Then I'm gonna throw your shit up because now I got work all day.
I have 14 days.
Work all day. And they. So this isn't work. But so you being here now is then what's the point?
Okay, that's unlawful.
No, I don't want to hear. But you leaving now.
What am I supposed to do? Do you expect a person to sit here and put themselves in a predicament where they have nowhere to go?
No, that's not what I said.
Well, you gave me 14 days.
So let's stop. When you moved in, before you moved in, when you did the interview.
First of all, I'm not going to argue. Let's lower the voice. Let's lower our voices. I'm not a child. I'm a 56-year-old woman. I'm too intelligent. I'm too old to argue.
We're not arguing. We're stating the facts.
Sir, I respect you.
Sir. We're stating the facts.
I respect you.
If you leave all day when I gotta go to work, your shit's out. That's all I'm saying. So
that's unlawful. That's unlawful. Okay, thank you very much.
All day while you know I'm at work, that means you're neglecting the dogs. That's unlawful.
What?
I'm here for the dogs.
No, sir. I rented a room from you. I paid you.
Rented the room for the dog.
I paid you $400.
For the dog. That's why it's cheap.
Okay.
For the dog.
Please take your
That's
finger.
Why it's cheap.
Please take your finger.
But then stop reading. It's either you turn around and walk away, and you stay for the dog.
I'm a 56-year-old woman, sir. I am very highly intelligent.
I don't give a shit.
I am too mature.
It's either you stay for the dog or get the fuck out.
I'm not your child.
Get out.
I think you got...
Get out. Get out.
Sir.
Get out. Point blank.
My
get out.
stuff is all here. Everything I own is here.
Go. Get it out. Because you're not here doing for the dog. That's why you're here. You're not here to rent a room.
But comply to
You're not here to rent a room. You're here for the dog.
No, I have neglected.
You're here for the dogs.
No,
End of story.
No, I paid you
for the dogs.
I paid you
for the dogs.
Sir,
so you came to here and rented a room for something that you cannot do.
Please back up.
No.
Now I'm feeling. Please
then
back
get out.
Up. Please
go.
Back
Stop
up.
fucking talking and go. You came here when I told you everything that needed to be done, and you can't do it. So go. Get out. You came here when I told you everything needed to be done. I told you what I did not want, and you can't do it. And the other day you said, I never watched dogs before. Why did you apply to a fucking room that said you're here for the dogs? And it says on the ad, the rent is cheap because of the dogs.
Yes, and I have done that.
No, I told you before you even moved in, before I said yes. I said there's a couple things. I don't want you coming out or in late at night. I said because when you walk in, they wake up and it wakes me up. When I start going back to work, that's going to be an issue. I said that. I asked you, do you go out and in all day? You said no. And you said no. And then now all of a sudden that you're in, I have to go, and then you told me that, you used to go to the Planet Fitness.
No, not used to. I do go. That is my physical therapy.
No, you said you...
Excuse me a minute, please. Excuse me.
And you don't think that's going to be an issue because of the shower here. Now you're in here, and all of a sudden, I need a license, and you told me you don't go nowhere. That's what it says on this fucking ad. Somebody doesn't go much. Anywhere. Now, as soon as you got in, you switch it. No. So you can go. You go on that bus 7 fucking hours. That means the dogs are gonna shit and piss all over the house. So you have the decision to make. You're more than half. I'm trying to be fair. If you do it on a day where you know I'm half left the day home.
And
Not today.
do you understand that
No,
I have to move?
there's no going back. Either you do it on the day you come back. On the day I'm at. Why you you know what?
I can't.
Get out. Get out.
All my
Get
stuff,
the fuck
everything
out.
I own is
What
here.
you're not gonna do is fucking laugh at me in my house.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at the insanity.
Get out. Your insanity. Get the fuck out.
I haven't done anything.
Get out.
Everything I own is here.
Get the fuck out.
Everything I own is here.
Well, then you shouldn't run your fucking mouth. Get the fuck out.
I wasn't running my
Get
mouth.
out. Get out of my house.
No, I told you.
You get out. You're sitting there fucking telling me, get in my face. I'm gonna be gone for 8-7 hours.
No,
you didn't think that was
not...
an issue? You didn't think that was an issue? You didn't think that was an issue?
Because I have to.
I don't give a fuck. You didn't think that was an issue? What did you think I was gonna be like this? What did you think was gonna happen?
Did you expect them not
What did you think was gonna happen? It's not my fault that you gotta take the fucking bus. It ain't my motherfucking fault.
You told me I'd have to be out by the end of the month.
Then you fucking pick a day that you know I'm half home. So that way the 7 hours don't fucking interfere. Use your fucking head, miss. I'm intelligent. Use your head.
Hi, Mabel. Good morning.